Right now, at your job right now, are you getting everything you can get out of? Are you getting training? Are you making enough money at your job? Or if your job is just basically just getting at you that you're confused, overwhelmed, and tired, and you just want to fire that boss right now, well, you want to listen to my message right now because I've got some information to tell you. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit this red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. It's that time to go ahead and dig deep into the content. And by the way, my name is Shelton. Thank you for joining me today. In today's content, we're going to talk about the truth about having these jobs, and can a job really prepare you for an online business like affiliate marketing? That's the truth. Well, the truth is, I think jobs can definitely prepare you for those type of things, but you definitely need to understand something like this. This is something that I recently really learned. Jobs, all these jobs are prepared for you to be an owner. It prepared for you to be an actually owner. Let's say you work in customer service, right? Well, an online business, you're going to be working with customers, right? So at the job that you hate or don't like, you're getting a skill set. You're actually learning a skill set, and you're actually getting and developing a skill set to be able to handle customers on an everyday basis, right? When you start your online business, you're going to be dealing with customers and clients on an everyday basis, right? It's like, well, I don't like my job and I deal with customers, but when I have an online business, I need customers, but I'm learning the skill set from the job that's going to help me in my online business or any business. Because whatever business you have, you need to have customers. You need to have clients. So I stepped thinking here, and I want to do a video for me and you, just me and you, to say that basically, yes, the job that you hate and you want to fire that boss, you want to walk out the door right now, you basically want to just go ahead and throw them your keys and your information and just walk out. But think this, at that job that you are right now, you're learning a skill set, or you've already learned the skill set to grow and start your own business. Prime example, I just got through washing my car at this car wash, right? And this car wash attendant basically knew everything about the car wash business. Car wash attendant may be making about $14, $15 an hour, but he knew so much about the car wash business, I thought he was the owner. And I asked him, I said, how did you learn about all this information in terms of the car wash? He said he had a passion for helping people. So from him learning about the car wash, he felt like he connect with the customers better by understanding the business. And I was like, he was like 20 years old. And I'm sitting here like, hold on here. This man is developing a skill set, learning how to work with people, customer service, learning about business, learning about transactions, learning about, upselling, because he was upselling me on different products there and he did a great job at it. I said he should be a business owner. This job has taught him how to do this. Now, he could be a business owner in another car wash or anything that's dealing with customers, because he's a very good customer service person. And I kept thinking, this guy should be a business owner. So I pulled him aside after they washed my car and I asked him this. I said, have you ever thought about, owning your own business? He never thought about it. Because for so long, he was basically been told to work at a job, and then that's it, basically. That's what he told me. He said, that's why I was taught for a long time. I need to get a job, and I want to get good at my job, and then maybe move up in management. That's what he was talking about. And I said, man, you can own your own car wash one day. How about that? You need to figure out kind of what the plan of action it is in terms of building the capital and things like that and taking those chances. But you can do this. You can be a great owner because he cares about people. And he's like, I never thought about that. Man, I'm going to go home and start strategizing exactly how I can do this. This is why that's why I want to do this video, is saying, yes, there's a lot of jobs we definitely don't like. I tell you, I give it up. Yes, there's a lot of jobs you ain't going to like. There's a lot of jobs that you can tell them to blank off, pretty much. But think about this that you're gaining from it. You're gaining some type of skill set to do something else in your passion that has something, it could be something relevant from the job that you just left. You take that inspiration and that passion and that desire and even that desperation to start your own online business or any offline business, your car wash, a car dealership, whatever that is. Go ahead and do that. And that young man there, that guy there, I believe that he can because he knew everything about that car wash. I think he knew more than the owners. And get this. The owner did come in a little bit later on, and he was basically overseeing the operation. He couldn't answer questions about his own business. He couldn't even answer questions because I was hearing him talk to, among other people, about different businesses and things that's going on, what's coming new in the car wash, what things that's not doing well. He couldn't answer those questions very well. But the guy, my guy, he could answer all those type of questions. And that's the type of person is a good business owner and he should be. So I'm hoping he does. He said he was looking at it. And that's why I'm doing this video to you right now. I know you want to start your online business and maybe you already have an existing business and you want to go to the next level and things like that. Just understanding that it is possible. It is possible. Yes, you may have a blueprint. Maybe you need the right system in place. Yes, you need a mentor and a coach. Maybe you need, some inspirational things about getting your mind right. All those type of things is relevant to growing your online business. And now if you've been searching around for online business, you've been searching around for somebody you can trust. You can trust me. Somebody you can trust. If you need somebody that, you want somebody to follow, somebody you can get inspiration or motivational. Well, right below this video, I do have a link right below this video is my #1 recommendation to make money online and start your own online business. There, you're going to get the teaching, the coaching, the advisorship that's going to help you grow your business as soon as humanly possible. Why? Why am I doing this? Because I want to help you. Because somebody helped me. Somebody helped me. Now I'm helping you. My mentor helped me. Now I'm helping you. I'm paying it forward. That's when I had learn, do, teach, paying it forward. So I was helped about growing a business. I was helped about starting a YouTube channel. I was scared to death for starting a YouTube channel a while back. Scared to death. I was like, man, what I'm going to say in front of the camera? How I'm going to be able to do this? Well, I'm on here and now I'm on here to help you because I care about you. And this video is really all about you, basically showing that, yes, you got the skill set. Yes, you have the inspiration. Yes, you have the passion to go ahead and build and start your online business. And you've been searching around for it, need somebody to trust, the right system in place. Click on the link right below this video right now. My #1 recommendation to make money online and start your online business as soon as humanly possible. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel and to this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good night.